Hi everyone! For today's episode, we will be featuring 3 breakfast ideas that are healthy, filling, but are just under 300 calories. So the first in our list is overnight oats. So for this, we will be needing old-fashioned rolled oats, unsweetened non-dairy milk, non-fat plain Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and chopped walnuts. So we basically just have to mix everything in one bowl or container and let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. I will be placing the exact measurements of each ingredient in the description box below. Next on the list are protein waffles. To make these, we will be needing oat flour, eggs, 2% fat cottage cheese, vanilla protein powder, and unsweetened non-dairy milk. So we basically just have to mix everything in one bowl until you form a batter. And lastly, our egg wrap. To make this, we'll be needing this low-carb tortilla wrap, eggs, grated cheese, spinach, and olive oil. So this recipe is very simple. We basically just have to make scrambled eggs, add the grated cheese, and baby spinach. And then once you're done, we'll have to put it in the tortilla wrap and wrap it like a burrito.